Good morning, friends. Hope you all are doing well and had a good 3-day weekend. Let's get started with our number corner for today. Today is Tuesday, although we have to do Monday and Sunday also. So on Sunday, it was May 24th, 2020. We have a yellow card. We start on 67 and go down, down, down. All right, we're starting on 67, and we are going down, 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 and we land on 97. Remember that when we go down, we add. I'm going to just fill in 87 while I'm at it. There we go. We add. So if we started on 67 and we went down, 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 that means that we added 3 times. We added 10, 10, 10. We added 30 to get 97. And just like we said, we started on 67, went down, down, down. Here's our equation. 67 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 97, and that is where we ended. Yesterday was Monday, May 25th, 2020. We have another yellow card, and it is a, let's see if we can slide over a little bit. Let's see. It flew past Polly. It's trying to flee. Leap, Tad, leap to 83. All right, we got to go to 83. So I make sure that's 83 because that's really small for me to see. It is perfect. All right. So we have to start on 97. We have to get to 83. So we have to go from here all the way to here. So how are we going to get there? I think maybe we should go left, 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 up. Or we could go up, left, 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 left. Completely up to us. But I'm thinking that I'm just going to go up and then over. Okay, so we're going to go minus 10, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 to 83. If you wanted to take a different route to get there, that's totally fine. All the way to 83. So just like we said, we started on 97. We went up first, didn't we? We went up and then left, 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 left. You could do the other way too. You could go left, 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 up. And we had 97. Take away 10. Take away 1. Take away 1. Take away 1. Take away 1 equals 83. And that's where we ended. Today is Tuesday, May 26th, 2020. We have an orange card. And then we have up, 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 left, left. Oh boy, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 moves. Oh my goodness, we haven't had 6 moves yet. So we need to get boogieing on over there. So we have an orange card. We start on 83 and we move up, 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 left, left. I mean right, right, not left, left. So up, 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 right, right. There we go. Hey, so we are going to go from 83 up, 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 right, right, and that brings us to 45. There we go. I still have yet to find the other purple, so we're just going to have to rock this purple color. So that brought us to 45. Just like we talked about, we started on 83. We went up, 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 right, right, and that gives us 83 minus 10. Remember, it's minus when we go up. Minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. When we go right, we add. Plus 1 equals 45. And that is where we ended. How many days in school? Yesterday, or on Friday, we had 167 days in school. We had no school on Monday. So that means that we have today. And that gives us 167 was last time. What comes after 167? 168, right, very good. So 168 days. Let's write it here. 168 days. How many hundreds, tens, and ones? There is 100 plus how many tens? 6 plus how many ones? 8. And that gives us our 168. And our expanded form, remember our expanded form is our equation that we use the hundreds, tens, and ones in the total days to help us. So it's going to be, we have 100 plus how many tens? We have 6. How do we make it tens? We add our 0 to make it 10, so it's 60. And how many ones? 8. And that gives us 168 days. But I'm not going to write days because it's just an equation. This is our last week in May. We are going to be doing our quarter today, so let's add our quarter. We have 1 quarter, so how many cents do we have? 25 cents. And let's do our quarter poem. Quarter. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I am told. Quarter, here's the front of the quarter, the back of the quarter, and it equals 25 cents. How many quarters do you need to make $1? 4, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 25, 50, 75, $1. Very good, friends. Here's a quarter, here's our $1, and down here is kind of helps you know that there are 4 quarters in $1 because they fit perfectly right inside. There we go. Here is our schedule for this week. There was no school yesterday. Here's today, Tuesday, May 26th, 2020. We have book flicks this morning. Describe your character and activity in Google Classroom. Remember, if you don't have a printer, feel free just to draw it on a piece of paper. It does not have to be perfect. Watch the math lesson 10. It is Mrs. Mullery. Watch Number Corner like you are doing right now. No science or social studies. And remember your optional activities for art, music, and PE. Boys and girls, have a wonderful Tuesday. And I hope to see you guys soon on here. And have a great day and keep learning. Bye, friends.